So I want to show you how to work with enhanced input in Unreal Engine. Why is it important to use enhanced input in Unreal Engine? Because whatever blueprint you create using enhanced input, you can always use them over and over again in other projects. And this came up when Unreal Engine 5.1, 5.2, 5.4 and upwards came in. So, but prior to now, there was actually no enhanced input. I've actually created blueprint using 4 points blueprints and without enhanced input. But I want to show you how to use enhanced input in creating your blueprints so that you can use them over and over again in different projects. So I would now have to create a new folder, bring in a new folder, and I'll call the folder character. Let me call it character. Okay, and I'll click in the character. Click in the character. I'll right click and I'll go to blueprint. I'll click blueprint and I'll go to game mode base. Now I'll click on game mode base and give it a name. Let me call it blue BP underscore my game mode. My game mode. Okay, then I'll also right click again. This time I want to bring a character class in. I'll click on blueprint class and I want to bring a character. So I'll click on character and I'll call this character my character. BP my character. I'll call this BP my character. Okay, now let's go into this blueprint, my blueprint mode. I'll double click on it and so here we have brought in the character, but let me show you exactly what I did. I firstly went to the right side. Here I clicked mesh, and when I clicked mesh, I went to this side where it says mesh, and I clicked here to bring in this SK mannequin skeletal mesh. After that, I brought in my camera, and when you look at this arrow component, it's showing that this is the front. Okay, this is the front direction. This is the capsule. I have to bring the mannequin to be within the capsule. I have to bring it down and turn it to this direction to show that this is the front direction, and I have to bring in my camera and drag it into this place, the capsule, to make it the shadow of the capsule. I took it up and rotated it using this green gizmo for rotation, and so that when I now play it, it's going to face front. Then I also did not stop there. I had to go into my game mode and make an adjustment. And what did I do? So in my game mode, as you can see here, up here, I then came to the right hand side. So in the right hand side, you see all these options here, but what I'm interested in is default pawn class. Now within this default pawn class, I will click in and I will select the BP my character that have been created before, and that is the one I selected, so that it interacts with that character that we are working with. And we compile, we save, and then I go out of here. Let me go into the third person map, and here I want to change the game mode. So this area that says game mode, I'll go into world setting. Under world setting, the game mode, I want to change the game mode override. I want to change it to BP my game mode. So once I've done that, I can now click on play. So you see, I'll click on play. Now the camera is focusing on the character, as you can see, but nothing is actually interacting here. So we're going to bring in all the features like jump, look left, look right, move forward, move backwards. We're going to bring all of them on this character. So let's watch for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and also comment if you have any question. Thank you.